There's only one time a year, there's only one holiday. We're laying down all the tracks, Dad's leading the way. It started in '91, the Christmas album is back, 2025. We don't need masks, we'll just head out back and we're ready to sing Coronavirus Karaoke. We're gonna start on New Year's. Amy and Brandon are here. My niece is beating me down and dressing up like a deer. Forget the rest and just give us presents I can't even lose. Skates, bowling balls, and flamethrowers too. Well, it hasn't been easy replacing a kidney a long way from home. But we're bringing the cheer, cause we'll always be here. Hey, it's John. Throckmorton X-mas is where we belong. We're hanging with Grandma and Grandma and John. With Ellie and Ali, Siena, we're gathering over Grayson, the place that we'd rather be. Here by the tree with Debbie, getting cats and beyond.
We hope you enjoyed it. But don't be fooled by the slick professional production that you've seen here tonight. Remember, real people don't act like this. Maybe we just won't have Christmas this year. Would that make everybody happy?